part of your back. So it sits in the middle there. And for the bird dogs, first we start with just extending the leg out. And you can see my toes touch to the ground and back. You're trying to not let the ball roll off. So you're keeping the pelvis stable. Extend the leg out, touch the floor. Slow and controlled, so you don't let that ball fall off. Next we add in, next progression for the bird dog is to extend opposite arm and opposite leg at the same time. My foot is still touching the floor on this version. And back in, extend the arm and the leg. You're not extending the back, so think of keeping the core engaged. The arm is just reaching in front, the leg is reaching backwards and back. And for the third progression of the bird dog, you're going to extend arm and leg, and the toes now are not touching the ground. For your own benefit, you can see when I extend out, my toes aren't touching the ground, but they're also, my leg isn't up here. I'm really just extending backwards and then back in.